Make a great choice today with the 2018 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.